Hey guys, Waffle Sheep here, and today, instead of our usual gaming videos, we're looking at Lego! And I'm going to be showing you how these retro Maxifigs are put together and how you can use the pieces in your builds. So, as you can see, you've got the head and the hair and the arms made from these pieces, which can also be used many other things, like this snaky that I've built, and I've also used the arm holders here. So I'm going to be showing you how to dismantle this so you can use it. Okay, so the way to prise this brick apart is to take out the heads and hair and also the longer bits of the arms, so you're left with something that looks a bit like this. And then you will have to get some sort of sharp object or just your nails and wedge it in the gap, and you will just have to pull it gently until you get this. It's quite easy to take off the hair, and you can yank out the heads, and you can take off these arm pieces, but you can't take out the inner arm bit that's connected here, and I will show you why. So this is the arm holder in its two separate parts, and as these clip together, it's very strong. But these arm pieces here have this small round piece, so they are stuck and cannot come out. So if you try and wrench them out, you'll probably break it, which you don't want to do. But heads can easily be wrenched out because they've only got this small clip here. And so once you've taken these arm bits out, you can take them out, put them in your other Lego builds, or you can simply take the heads off and make things like these grabbing machines for your builds, snakes on the back of your Lego trucks. So they're really great for your creations. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more Lego videos. Goodbye!